10 matcha benefits for your body and mind. The vibrant green color of matcha is an indication of its high chlorophyll content, which is known to purify the blood by extracting toxins from it. It helps in the detoxification of the body, making it one of the best drinks for a cleaner body. This detoxifying property also makes matcha helpful in fighting against allergies. Number 2, boost your energy. Unlike coffee, which provides a sudden spike and then a crash in energy levels, matcha offers a nice, gradual and steady increase in energy that lasts throughout the day. This is due to the unique amino acid called L-theanine present in matcha, which has a calming effect on the brain while improving your focus and attention. 3. Improve brain function. Matcha is rich in antioxidants that protect the brain from oxidative damage, which may lead to neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. It also improves brain function by increasing the amount of BDNF, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which is crucial for the growth and development of new brain cells. 4. Support heart health. Matcha has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering bad cholesterol and reducing inflammation in the arteries. The catechins in matcha also help in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, which is essential for overall cardiovascular health. 5. Aid weight loss. If you are looking to lose weight, matcha can be a great addition to your diet. It boosts your metabolism and helps in burning fat by increasing the amount of fat that is oxidized during exercise. Additionally, matcha has a thermogenic effect on the body, which means that it can increase body temperature and burn calories even at rest. 6. Lower blood sugar levels. Matcha has a low glycemic index, which means that it does not cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. In fact, it has been shown to lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it an excellent choice for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. 7. Improve skin health. The high concentration of antioxidants in matcha can help fight free radicals and reduce signs of aging and other skin problems. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe irritated skin and reduce redness. 8. Increase endurance. During exercise, matcha can delay the onset of fatigue, allowing you to work out for longer periods. This is due to its unique amino acid profile, which enhances the body's ability to utilize oxygen, leading to improved endurance levels. 9. Promote relaxation. Despite its energizing effects, matcha can also promote relaxation and reduce stress levels. This is mainly due to the L-theanine content, which has calming effects on the brain. L-theanine also promotes the production of alpha waves in the brain, which are associated with a state of calm alertness. 10. May help prevent cancer. Some studies have shown that the catechins in matcha may help prevent the growth and spread of cancer cells. While more research is needed, the powerful antioxidants in matcha may play a role in reducing the risk of certain types of cancer. Now that you know all the amazing benefits of matcha, it's time to give this superfood a try. You can use it to make delicious and healthy recipes like matcha lattes, cakes, cookies, and more. Don't wait. Start today and experience the many benefits of matcha for yourself. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family. Stay healthy and keep enjoying the benefits of traditional Japanese culture. Until next time.